Hey there, this is Becca with YouCanBookMe. If your team uses Discord to stay connected, here's a powerful upgrade. You can connect your YouCanBookMe account to your Discord server using Zapier. Once you set it up, all of your bookings, cancellations, and reschedules can be automatically posted to a chosen Discord channel. That way, your entire team knows what's going on. It's perfect for keeping your team informed, tracking leads, or just celebrating a new customer who books with you. In this quick video, we're going to walk you through how to set it up. So, to get started, you're going to log into your YouCanBookMe account. Click your profile photo or this happy little smiley face here at the top corner. Click on My Account. Click on Integrations, because at the end of the day, Zapier is an integration. Now, I've already got Zapier queued up here because I've been using it recently, but if you don't happen to have it at the top, you can also search it and it'll come up. Let's click those three little dots and hit Settings so we can adjust it to what we need. Now, it's going to ask you what you'd like to automate, and it's going to pop up with anything you've been using lately. No shocker, I've been playing with Discord. That's why we're making this video. Let's click Create Workflow though, because I want to show you the easiest way to do this. Once Zapier loads, let's tell it what we'd like it to do. We want to connect YouCanBookMe and Discord, please. Always use your manners with the AI, you never know. It's going to take a few minutes to think, and it's going to take a few minutes to put things together for you. Once it's all done doing its magic, we'll get started together.
2 minutes later.
Awesome. Now that the AI's worked its magic, we're going to go through together and check everything. Notice we have a little green check mark for Discord and a little red X for YouCanBookMe, meaning something's not right here. And honestly, I don't trust AI. AI is kind of a liar, so I'm still going to check my work for the Discord one too. Let's check YouCanBookMe first. Let's go to step 1, setup. The app is YouCanBookMe. Correct. Trigger event, booking notifications. Literally the only trigger you can do. It's when something happens with your booking, Zapier does magic. Cool. And I'm already logged into YouCanBookMe here. I've got marketing at YouCanBookMe. You might need to log into YouCanBookMe if you weren't already logged in. Configure. Subscription level is important. Do you want these notifications to go to your Discord server for every booking page you own, or just a specific booking page? Now, I have a bunch of booking pages, and I don't necessarily want all of my personal meetings to go to the whole company's Discord server. So let's go with a specific booking page. The next one's going to ask you which booking pages. So pick any booking pages you want. Notifications type. You can go with as many notification types as you would like for your YouCanBookMe page. Anytime you get a booking created, rescheduled, canceled, there's a whole bunch of options here. We're just going to go with all of them. We're going to send every single booking notification from the Becca Kingsbury booking page to the Discord server. Let's hit continue. It's now going to test the trigger to make sure that Zapier is speaking to YouCanBookMe. Let's hit test. Now that we've successfully tested our YouCanBookMe trigger and have got that little green check mark, let's check Discord. We're going to click on it. Let's go to setup to start from the beginning. The app we want to work with is Discord. Correct. What is the action event? We actually have a lot of options here. You can create a forum post. You can rename a channel. You can send a DM. There's a whole bunch of things you can do. But we're going to send a channel message. Choose whatever's best for you. And then it's going to ask you which Discord channel you would like to connect. I'm going to actually reconnect it just to show you. So we're going to hit reconnect. And it's going to kick me out and kick me back in just so that I can show you the process. When Discord opens up, it might ask you to log in if you're not already. It's going to ask you for permissions to let the Zapier app integrate with Discord. It's going to ask which server you would like it to integrate with. I only have one at the moment, YouCanBookMe. But if you have multiple, you can specify which server. It's now going to ask which roles you would like Zapier to have permissions to do. You can turn off any that you want to turn off. That's fine. Be comfortable with what you're doing. Maybe I don't want it to be able to deafen members. That sounds kind of vicious. So let's hit authorize. Perfect. We are connected to Discord. Let's hit continue to configure it. The channel I've got it set to message in is called General. I've only got one channel. If you have more than one channel, this is where you could choose your specific channel. This is the text that the AI wrote for me. It's what will go into your Discord channel right now. It says new booking received, the title of the booking, who it's booked with, the time, duration, booking reference number, the money they're paying, any notes. Cool. I like that. But if I want to have anything specific, you can hit this little plus sign. And there's a whole bunch of different details that it can pull directly from YouCanBookMe that you can use. So use whatever makes the most sense to create your dream custom message. There are other Discord specific settings you can play with here, but I don't really want to touch those because they're things like bot name, bot icon. Great, play with those. Set up a YouCanBookMe bot. You can even name it Ted the YouCanBookMe bot. That's fine. Call it whatever you want. Play with it. But we're keeping it basic today. Let's test this and make sure that everything's good to go. Perfect. I hear the Discord sound. Let's check it out. Just like that, Ted, the YouCanBookMe bot, is letting me know that I've received a new booking. Obviously, this is a fake booking. We just sent this test. Just like that, we've connected YouCanBookMe with Discord. So anytime I get a new booking on my Becca Kingsbury booking page, I will automatically get a notification to this specific Discord server letting me know the details of it. It's honestly that easy to connect your Discord with your YouCanBookMe. Now, with every new booking, it automatically will post to Discord, keeping your team synced and your connection seamless. It's quick to set up, it's easy to manage, and it's a really simple way to bring your scheduling and your communication together. So if you're ready to give it a try, you can sign up for You Can Book Me for free at any time. Head to Zapier, connect it to your Discord server. And as always, if you have any questions on anything, Discord, You Can Book Me, scheduling, or honestly anything else, maybe you want to talk about unicorns. Sure, why the heck not? Or why I have so many books. I don't know. Message our customer support team. We're always more than happy to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching.